Hello everyone! We're outside today. We're actually going to the city because I'm going to buy my chef uniform. So yeah. So Gavin and Ethan are with me today. Yeah. So we're gonna take the train. It's been a long time since we took the train.
It hasn't been a long time for me because I went with Dad.
Okay. Yeah, so
Like
we're now walking, going to the train station, and it's gonna take about half an hour to go to the city, and then we have to walk going to the shop where we can buy the chef uniform. So you might be asking why we're gonna buy the chef uniform. I'm going to take up a course for
the rest of the year.
Yeah, for culinary. So it's a culinary course, and it's a 1-year course. And yeah, so I will need a chef uniform. That's a requirement. So that's why we're going there. Central. So this is Central Station. So this is the place. Okay, so here they're selling knives. So there are different brands that you can choose from. The one that I'm trying to buy is the Victorinox, but this one I think it's the Club Chef Classic, and this one is the Club Chef Premium. There's so many things here, guys. There's baking tools, there's a spatula. Yeah, so there's so many things that you can buy. Uniforms, there's also the oyster knives. This oyster knife and other things. There's a lot of things that you can buy here. So here are the things that we bought, guys. So we have the knife set and other tools and the uniform and the shoes as well. So we're so ready. It's getting exciting. Okay, so we're finally home, and here are the things that I bought today. This is the Club Chef merchandises that I bought. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. So first is the shoes. So this is the shoes that I'm going to wear. This is what I bought. This is the chef shoes that I bought. Look at this. So there are other brands that you can get, but I thought that is too big for me. I mean, it's too wide for my feet, so I chose this one. Okay, so this is the shoes, and yeah. These are the uniforms. This is the jacket.
Oh, chef jacket, is that?
Yeah, that's the chef jacket. This is the pants. This is the apron. See, the white apron.
Like Master Chef, mommy.
Yeah.
Nice.
The hat. Okay. The handkerchief for the neck.
Oh.
This is the studs for the jacket. This is the name tag. And I also bought the tool set, which includes this one and this one. So I'm gonna open this up, and I'll show you first what's in this bag. So this is the Dorset cloth.
Looks like a ball.
And this is the sharpening stone.
Nice.
So it's a bit heavy, that's why.
So you will learn how to sharpen a knife.
Yes. And this is the sleep mat, anti-sleep mat. Okay. There I have the egg separator, which I also bought for our home use.
Okay.
Okay. And this is the digital thermometer.
Oh, nice.
Thermometer. So
Thermometer. Yep. See, that's Club Chef
this
Australia.
is the cookie cutter.
Ooh, nice.
This one.
Yep.
I have this set. The cloth. Okay. And I also have a weighing scale.
Oh, is that required for your school?
Yes.
Nice.
So all of this will be for my course. Now this is getting exciting. I'm gonna open this bag. So all the knives are actually here. I'm gonna open
nice.
it now.
That's a big
Let's
one.
move this.
You're gonna be like sushi chef. A lot of those knives.
So it's locked because we took the train. So it needs to be locked.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that the instruction?
Yeah. They actually locked it in the store.
Nice. When are you going to start your school?
I'm going to
Culinary
start
school?
on August 3rd. So it's every Monday and Wednesday.
For 1
That's
year.
from 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. So in the morning, I'll be doing the practical class. So we'll be in the kitchen, and then in the afternoon at 2:30 to 4, I will be in the classroom for a theory.
Anyway, let's
So
check
these are
this
the
out.
things.
Wow.
So these are the knives. So I have this is the filleting knife. Filleting knife. This one is the other knife. This is the bread knife or pastry knife. I know this. This one, I don't know which kind of knife. This is my flat spatula. The wire whisk. The wooden spoon. I also have 2 spoons here. One is just plain and the other one is slatted. This is my scraper, my piping bag, my pillar, and
It's a thermometer.
the star and the
Oh,
plane.
this is exactly what we need for churro.
I actually bought one for us as well.
Oh, okay, that's just for
for
your
home
school.
use.
Okay, cool.
This one is the sharpening, you know, the
Yeah, that's for.
ding ding ding, like
Yeah.
that. And then the tongue, the tweezers,
Oh, you get tweezers for.
because I'm gonna
for
do
fish.
filleting. This is the scissor. This is the zesting thing, the one for the
Oh,
zest.
okay, that's professional, huh?
Yeah.
Mommy's becoming professional.
This
She's no
one,
longer a network
I don't
engineer.
remember what it's called, but I have this one. And this as well. The brush, and some spoon and fork and knife.
That's nice.
So that's all of the things here that's included in the
Package.
tool set that so I'm gonna try the uniform and I'm going to show it to you guys, okay? So this is my chef uniform. I have the hat, the jacket, this is the apron, I have the checkered pants, and the shoes. I don't have my socks here, but yeah. So this is my outfit for the
Culinary journey.
culinary course that I'm going to take. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna do more videos and I'm gonna show you how I'm going through with that course. So thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.